This beached boat is too big to budge, buddy.
Hold on, Captain Turbot. I'll bump you back in the water.
Whoa! That was a mighty nice nudge, Mighty Rubble.
Rubble, head to the crossroads and stop that super kitty.
On it! Put those cows down on the ground. Then I'll just put my mighty paws on the ground. Huh?
If only I'd moved that rock away from the storm drain.
So that's what's keeping the water here. The drain is blocked? We'll just move it now. Rubble, take your rig down there and move that rock to drain this water.
Time to pull the plug on the pasture. That is one big rock, but I can move it. Got it, Ryder.
You better get out of there fast, Rubble. Draining water can have a powerful pull.
Gotcha. Reverse.
Thanks for everything, Sea Patrol. You saved my farm.
Rubble, grab the train with the side plug. Then we'll stop it using our brakes.
I've never got a train before. Cool.
Okay, brakes.
Nothing I can't undo.
Haley Daly, on the scene and on your screen, reporting live from the Adventure Bay train tracks.
Uh-oh, that train is closer than we thought. Rocky, put those tracks together as fast as you can. Rubble, let's go warn the engineer.
On it. Stop the train! The tracks are broken!
Oh, no! I don't think I can stop in time.
I've got this! The tracks are fixed! Let it go, Rubble!
Thanks, Mighty Pups.
You saw it here first, viewers. The Mighty Pups have saved the train.
Well, he sure did seem more relaxed when he was pecking at the car, trying to get to Chickaletta.
Or maybe he was just trying to get to his stuffy.
Aw, do you think he just misses his buddy?
Let's find out.
Hi, Oscar! Follow me!
The ponies are welcoming Oscar into the family.
Aww!
Our baby is home at last.
We'll help Olivia.
Train!
Got it. Pull it up.
Stop! Stop! Whoa! Thanks, Robo-Duck.
Rubble, Sky, meet us outside the castle.
I'm on my way, Ryder. Construction claw.
My lucky hat! Thanks, Paw Patrol. You saved me. Hey, guys, I would have called, but Sweetie took my phone and trapped me up here.
But at least you're okay. Now let's get you to the concert.
Ladies and gentlemen, Luke Stars.
Hello, Parkingburg! Sorry I'm late, Princess.
No!
Oh no, the tank! Rubble, we need you to build a barrier to stop that tank.
On it, Ryder.
Look out!
Phew.
Whoa! Good thing that's not a real spider, or it'd be super creepy.
Ooh, a candy corn. I must have it. Uh-oh. My candy! No!
I think the turbots are on the other side of this wall.
But how do we get through it?
This part of the wall looks like a door.
I can use my shovel to pry it open.
Oh, is that really you, Ryder?
Yeah, hold on. We're almost there.
Yes, we are saved!
That should do it.
All right, everybody push.
Yes, we're in.
We are saved! So happy to see you!
That's the scary sound? Big Harry?
More like big noisy.
He fell in through the roof. Then he was smashing things all over.
Let's get you out before he wakes up. We don't want to startle him.
Thanks, Paw Patrol, for a picture-perfect rescue.
You're up, Rubble.
Time for tiny bear transport. The Betty Bye Bear Wagon is ready to roll.
Great job, pups. That's one bear down and 2 to go.
And Rubble. Use your rig to turn the diving bell right side up. Okay, Rubble. Time to move it.
Ah, thanks, Rubble. We're back in business. Now let's go.
Rubble, I need you and your electromagnet to stop a runaway mare.
No problem.
Help me!
Ryder, Mayor Humdinger's headed straight for a cliff.
Help! I'm falling! Help!
Open your eyes, Mayor. I gotcha.
Huh? Oh, get me out of these things! Uh-oh. Ah! Oh.
Are you okay, Mayor Humdinger?
Phew. Yes. Thanks for saving me from those horrible auto pants.
Whenever your pants are out of control, just yelp for help.
Well, I'll be. She's sleepwalking.
Whoa!
Ow! I'm stuck. I'd better call the Paw Patrol. Thanks, Rubble.
How's your foot?
Mighty muddy, but it'll be fine.
Over here, pups. Rubble, clear a path for Chicoletta.
You got it. No! I've got this.
Great job, Rubble.
I'll teleport those pups to the North Pole.
Rubble, time for this big bot to go down.
Time to wreck and roll.
Rubble, get ready. That minecart's headed your way.
All ready over here, Ryder.
I hope.
Goldie? I'm mighty grateful to the Paw Patrol for saving the most valuable thing of all.
Your big gold nugget?
It's the Paw Patrol! Keep digging, little pup. We're gonna get out of here. You found us!
Oh,
Yeah!
there he is! And there's the door! Let's get charged up! Let's wreck and roll!
This is an ultimate construction rescue. I'll need an expert at building who's great at leading a crew. Rubble and his ultimate construction vehicle.
Rubble on the ultimate double.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
came outside to give my beaver buddy here a midnight snack, and then wham!
This is a pretty big job, Uncle Otis, but the ultimate construction crew is here to get it done. First, let's clear the site of rubble. Not me, I mean all of this. Marshall, use the mini steamroller to flatten the ground. Now Zuma, use the mini drill to make post holes. Use your winch to help lift the walls.
Rough! Winch!
Great job, construction crew! There goes Everest's ride, but where's Everest?
We're right here.
And really tired. Hi.
Hop on my ATV, Jake!
Jump in, Everest!
Thanks.
Come on, everybody! After that snowcat! Rubble, head off the snowcat and use your leaf bags as bumpers.
Got it, Ryder!
Thanks for the lift, Rubble.
No problem! Not so fast, Snowcat!
Great job, Rubble!
Cool parachute.
Claw!
Hi, guys! Next stop, the ultimate copter.
Woohoo! This is so extreme!
Oh no! My raft's moving!
Sky, Mayor Goodway's raft is slipping.
Marshall, Zuma, I need you to pull the mayor onto the platform.
I'm slipping!
Hurry!
Oh, got it!
Nice work, pups.
The brakes aren't working. I'm trying the emergency brake. Huh? That's not good. Rocky, Rubble, I need a ramp.
Hey, I bet those steel girders would work. Hurry! The train's almost here!
We did it!
And fast, before the giant cave spider shows its hairy, scary spider face. Now grab onto my hoverboard, Captain.
Whoa! Super save, Rubble!
Okay, pups, now free Francois.
I'll just pull your leg from this web. Ugh.
Rocky needs more help. Rocky, fly to the other side of the web and pull down on it with your claw.
On it.
Whoa! Now I know how the world feels!
Now let's get you someplace safe.
Yoo-hoo! One turbot here, and a giant cave spider on its way! That's surely a substantial shadow! Whoa!
I can do this. Grab on, Captain!
Got it! Oh, look! It's the
Giant cave spider?
Ha! Can you believe we were afraid of that adorable arachnid?
Grab onto the front of my board. Whoa! Ooh, I got this!
Sky, lower your harness for Rubble.
Roger that, Ryder. Still hanging in there, Rubble?
No problem for me. And I'm not sure about Miss Marjorie's house. All that's holding it up is a thin piece of dirt. Whoa! That's double
the rubble I was expecting.
Don't worry, baby bat. We'll free your family soon.
Everest, you know what to do.
Claw!
Time for this big drop to roll.
Thanks for saving the bats, Paw Patrol.
Whenever bats need a place to hang, just yelp for help. Ready, Rubble?
Ready. I better pick these up before cars turn them into applesauce. Applesauce.
This is an ultimate construction rescue.
We're on. You can count on us.
I'll need an expert in building to lead the team. Rubble and his ultimate construction vehicle. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Oh no! Gordy's supposed to land here, but there isn't enough room for the landing pad.
It's too narrow. If we can't go wide, we can go up. What are we gonna build, Rubble? Just trust me and follow my directions. First, we need to take apart the old landing pad. Zuma, drill post holes over here. Ryder and Chase, let's get the poles into those holes. I see Gordy's spaceship. We've got to speed it up. Captain Gordy's counting on us.
Rubble! This is the coolest landing pad ever! A Rubble double spiral slide.
Here he comes. Yay! It's the Paw Patrol! I knew they would come.
Rubble, use your wakeboard to pull Mayor Goodway out. Rubble on the ultimate double. Wakeboard. Okay, Mayor Goodway. Just carefully crawl onto the board. Oh, wakeboard, turn.
Oh, thank you, Rubble. As my niece and nephew would say, you rock.
Yes, and hurry. If anything happens to my kitties, I don't know what I'll do.
One boulder on the move.
Oh, thank goodness.
If only there was a way to pop that van back on the road.
This van just needs a little fizzy pickle power. Rocky, are there any unopened jars left?
Yup, there is one left.
Shake it, then put it under the van.
Jar's in place. I'm coming back up. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Pickle!
Pickle who?
Pick all your stuff up and run! It's gonna blow!
Everyone, step back.
My Grand Tickie's quite the bouncer.
Catch it, Rocky.
Claw!
Hey, Ryder, what's up?
Darren Danny X, you got a passenger on board.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I see it. Woohoo!
Rubble, we need a very soft landing pad for Chickoletta's egg.
I know just what to do.
Come down nice and easy, Darren Danny X.
Hi, Mayor Goodway. Whoa, no.
We can't look.
A most excellent catch.
Yes! Oh, thank you, Rubble.